Okay, so I want to share with you an example of someone who's making a ton of money using a very specific method right here in front of you, which I will be showing you how to do yourself in today's video. And as the title of this YouTube channel suggests, you'll be uploading relaxing music videos. And whoever the owner of this channel is, they're making a ridiculous amount of money. These are very basic videos and are not complex in the slightest, but are still generating hundreds of thousands and even millions of views on a daily basis. The reason is because a lot of people like to listen to these relaxation type videos for a multitude of reasons. And all or most of these videos include a relaxing soundtrack or song that's playing in the background of the video. And the videos are literally just a combination of different photos and clips. I'll click on this video to show you as an example. All it is royalty-free videos, photos, and music. All of these videos are extremely long as well, which is a very smart decision because the longer the videos are, the more ads you can include, which will result in you making a lot more money. And these are mainly used as just background videos, so most people don't even actually watch them. Whenever someone is trying to sleep, relax, meditate, or whatever, people just put this on and leave it on in the background. That means that the videos will be played for quite some time, therefore allowing you to earn a lot more money in ad revenue. Another benefit to uploading longer videos is that you don't need to do it very often. You can see here that this channel has been only uploading a couple of videos per month, and they are getting tons of views per video. So you can see how easy this is, and you can also see how massively popular they are. This makes it very simple and straightforward for beginners to get into this and start making money through this method. Next, I'll show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, and since you won't be earning ad revenue in the beginning, I'll also show you another method to make money through this process, so make sure you keep watching. So if we go to this website called socialblade.com, you'll be able to analyze any YouTube channel's data and see how much they are earning in monthly ad revenue. So here we can see that the owner of Soothing Relaxation is making between this much and this much money in monthly ad revenue. Typically, the amount of money made is somewhere in between these two estimates. And I can confidently guess that this channel is earning somewhere around $200,000 a month, if not more, and they are just uploading 2 to 3 videos a month, which is absolutely crazy. And this is not uncommon. There are so many other meditation/relaxation channels like this on YouTube because they are extremely popular for everyone worldwide. So now you're probably wondering how you can create these videos yourself. Let's begin by compiling all of the images and videos together. So there are 2 websites that I recommend you use when gathering these photos and clips. They're called unsplash.com and pexels.com. What's nice about pexels.com is that you'll be able to find photos and videos that you can use completely for free, whereas Unsplash only allows you to use images. These 2 sites are 2 of the best places that you can access and download royalty-free photos and videos to use your own videos without facing any sort of copyright issues. Both websites are completely free as well, so you want to search for keywords that are related to the relaxation or meditation videos. You can look up some relaxation YouTube channels and study to see which keywords they use to gain some inspiration. Some keywords you want to try and search for would be relaxing things like beach, nature, ocean, landscape, stuff like that. So I'm just going to search nature on Pexels right here in the search bar. To download any of these photos or videos, all you need to do is click right here and it'll download straight to your phone or computer. So I encourage you to download photos and videos and combine them into one video. So to download videos on Pexels, you'll just need to click on the videos category right here. So next, we want to find some music to use for our videos. The best place I recommend is to find free music on YouTube itself. It's what's known as the YouTube audio library. So to access it, just go to your YouTube studio and then click on where it says audio library right here. There are thousands of different songs that you are free to use here, and you can use these when you get monetized as well. There's also an option to filter the music in several different ways. So what I want you to do is click on Mood and then select Calm, which will then display a wide variety of different songs you can use for your relaxation YouTube channel. There are several other filters you can use like genre or duration as well. This will all help you find the best price you can use for your videos. And you can get a preview of any of the songs you like by clicking on this play button right here. You can download any of these songs by clicking download right here. So try and find videos that you think would be most relaxing and fitting for your relaxation videos. And you want to find a minimum of 20 videos because your relaxation videos are going to be quite long. Now, I want to show you how you can combine your audio and video into one video to then upload onto your YouTube channel. So I have 2 options that you can use for this. You can use this free software called openshot.org, or you can use this cloud-based software known as clidio.com. If you would rather not download and install OpenShot, while I do recommend it, you can just use Clidio instead if you prefer. In order to create a compilation, just click on this button right here that says Video Maker. Next, you will then want to select all your files of the photos and videos you downloaded to create your relaxation video. After you do that, you'll be brought to the video editor. And for the first step, I'd like you to click right here and select Zoom and Crop. This will make everything look much nicer. Aside from just uploading images, you will also want to upload your videos as well. And then you'll just click on Add Audio right here to add your music. Once you've completed creating your video, you can just click on this button right here that says Export. This will download it straight to your computer, which you can then upload to YouTube. Now, I want to share with you how you can make money right when you start your YouTube channel. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to learn about more ways to make money online. So the best way to make money immediately is through affiliate marketing. This is an extremely effective way to make money through YouTube, and all you need to do is leave your affiliate link right here in the video description. Thousands of people will see this, and all you need is a very small percentage of people to click on it and purchase, which will give you substantial profits. There's a wide array of things that you can choose to promote as an affiliate, and there are so many platforms that you can choose from. And in this case, what I would recommend is Digistore24, as it's available to almost everyone worldwide. This is an affiliate marketplace that contains thousands of different affiliate products that you can promote. After that, you'll then want to sign up to create your own Digistore24 account. Then you'll want to go onto the marketplace and select the category that says spirituality and esoterics. When selecting a product, I always recommend that you try and find a product that costs at least $40 or $50 and has a high commission percentage. So I might go with this one right here. You will then just get your affiliate link right here, and this is the link you want to put in the description of your video. So this is a great way that you can make money through this method before you get monetized. And when you do get monetized, you'll be able to earn even more money. So if you'd like to learn about how to make money from YouTube through this exact method in greater detail, check the link in the video description below. It will provide you with a free training video to help you learn how to do this better, so be sure to check that out. And if you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.